Right now, there's a brand new type of AI video blowing up all over social media. I'm talking about viral talking object videos, where everyday items come to life and start talking with real emotion. Take a look at this Instagram account that already has over 500,000 followers from 31 posts, creating talking food videos like this.
Wash us right before eating, not before storing. Water makes us mold faster. We're trying to last here.
These videos are getting millions of views, and the best part is you can make them in less than 10 minutes using only AI tools. This type of content is powerful, different, and something small businesses are willing to pay good money for. And I know what I'm talking about here because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 creating social media content similar to this for small businesses. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step so you can create these videos yourself, sell them to local businesses, and even set up a system that turns all that social media attention into real paying clients. So if you've been looking for a simple way to start making money with AI, this is one of the easiest ways to do it right now, and you don't need any tech skills or fancy equipment to get started. Let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how to create these videos, starting with the very first step. Chapter 1, setting up your AI prompts with ChatGPT. The very first thing I'll do is open up my AI viral object project inside ChatGPT, and I'll drop a link to this project in the description below so you can use the same one. Once I'm inside the project, I click start and it gives me a list of business types to choose from. For this example, I picked number 1, which is dental businesses, but you can choose whatever type of business you want to create videos for. After I make my pick, the project goes to work and gives me 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts all ready to go. These prompts are what tell the AI tools exactly what to create, so you don't have to come up with anything on your own. Think of it like a recipe that you just hand over to the AI and it cooks up the final product for you. So now I've got all my prompts saved and ready, and the next step is to turn those prompts into actual images that we'll bring to life as videos. This next part is where the magic really starts to happen, so pay close attention. Chapter 2, creating the images. Next, what I will do is take those image prompts from the last step and head over to a software called OpenArt, which has become my new favorite tool for creative AI videos. If you want to follow along with me, click the link in the description below to open up OpenArt so you can do this at the same time. What makes OpenArt so great is that it gives you access to all the best AI models in one place, so you don't have to jump between a bunch of different apps. Here's how it works step by step. First, I click on Create Image inside OpenArt. Then I paste in my first image prompt from the ChatGPT project. For the model, I select Nano Banana Pro because it gives the best results for this style of image. For the size, I choose 9:16 because that's the vertical format you need for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Then I hit generate and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the image comes out looking like a perfect little Pixar level dental drill character, and it's exactly the kind of cute design that grabs attention on social media. Next, I copy over 2 more image prompts from the project to create 2 more dental objects. One is a suction tube and the other is a mouth mirror, and both of them came out just as clean and detailed as the first one. So now I've got 3 adorable dental characters ready to be turned into talking videos, and the whole image creation process only took me a couple of minutes. Let's keep the momentum going and bring these little characters to life in the next step. Chapter 3, turning images into talking videos. This is the part where it gets really exciting because we're going to take those still images and turn them into animated talking videos. Inside OpenArt, I click on the video icon at the top of the screen. Then I drag my first dental drill image into the start frame area so the AI knows what character to animate. After that, I paste in the matching video prompt from my ChatGPT project. For this first video, I select the VEO3 model because it does an amazing job with talking animations. I change the size to 9:16 to keep it vertical, and then I click generate.
Not scary, you're just dramatic with your face hole.
Take a look at this, a very emotional talking object with real feeling in its voice, and this is exactly the kind of content that's going viral on social media right now. Now imagine posting this for a real dental business and watching their page start blowing up with views and comments, because that business owner is going to love you for it. For the second video, I repeat the same process, but this time I select the Grok model instead of VO3 to compare the results.
I I didn't sign up for a swimming pool. Close your lips!
And look at that, still a really great talking object with smooth animation and good emotion. For the third video, I do it one more time using the Kling AI model. Amazing output as well. So now you can see that you've got multiple AI models to choose from, and they all deliver solid results. But we're not done yet, because I want to show you how to make a video that actually promotes a specific business, which is what your clients are going to want. Chapter 4. Making a promotional video for a client. So far, we've made fun talking object videos, but now let's create one that actually promotes a business by name, so you can see how to deliver real value to a client. First, I go back to OpenArt and use another image prompt from the project to generate a new character image. Then I go back to my ChatGPT project and tell it to slightly edit the VEO3 prompt so that it promotes a business called Bright Smiles Dental. You'd swap this out with whatever your client's real business name is. I go back to the video section in OpenArt, paste in the updated prompt, and this time I select VEO3 again, since that one gave me my favorite output. Then I click generate. The first attempt was mostly good, but there was a small speech hiccup in the audio, so I tried it again with the Grok model instead.
I'm about to go in Bright Smiles Dental. If I don't come back, remember me!
And this time it came out perfect. A cute little character talking about Bright Smiles Dental in a way that adds humor and makes people aware of the business. Now all that's left is to use any free video editing tool to compile all the clips together into one 30 to 40 second video. Then boom, you just created an animated viral video for a client using only AI in less than 10 minutes. And you're going to be doing all of this with a software that costs just $29 a month, while charging your client $1,000 a month as part of a social media management package, which I'll talk about later. But I just want you to know now that the profit margins on this service are pretty incredible. If you're amazed at what you're seeing, do me a favor and like this video if you haven't already, because I put a lot of work into making these tutorials for you. Now that you know how to make the videos, let me show you how to actually get them posted and start turning all those views into real leads and booked appointments for your clients. Chapter 5. Publishing content with High Level's Social Planner. This is where High Level comes in, and it's the tool that ties everything together, because it lets you post the videos, manage your client's social media, and automatically turn engagement into leads, all from one dashboard. I personally use this software to manage over 300 active social media clients and recommend it to others. If you are interested in testing it out, then click the link in the description below. And when you use my link, you'll get access to my AI Business Blueprint course for free. All right, now let me walk you through exactly how to set it up. First, log into your High Level account and open the sub account for your client. On the left side menu, click on Marketing and then click on Social Planner. You'll see a calendar view where all your scheduled posts will show up. Before you can post anything, you need to connect your client's social media accounts. So click on Settings, which is the little gear icon. From there, click Connect Accounts, and it will walk you through linking their Facebook page, Instagram business account, LinkedIn, Google business profile, TikTok, or YouTube. Once the accounts are connected, go back to the social planner and click on Schedule Now to create a new post. Select which social accounts you want to publish to, and you can pick multiple at the same time, which saves a ton of time. Now upload the viral talking object video you just made. Write a short caption that includes a call to action, like comment smile below to book your free cleaning, and add any hashtags you want. You can preview how the post will look on each platform before it goes live, which is really helpful for making sure everything looks right. Then choose whether you want to post it right now, schedule it for later, or set it up as a recurring post that goes out on a regular schedule, like every week. Now that you've got content going out on autopilot, the next step is to make sure all that engagement actually turns into money for your client. Chapter 6. Automating leads and appointments with high-level workflows. Posting great content is only half the battle, because the real value you bring to a client is when those views and comments turn into booked appointments and paying customers. High Level's Workflow Builder lets you set this up so it all happens automatically without anyone having to lift a finger. Here's how to build your first lead capture automation step by step. In your High Level dashboard, click on Automation in the left menu and then click on Workflows. Click Create Workflow, and you can either start from scratch or pick one of the pre-built templates they give you. For our setup, click Start from Scratch. Now you need to add a trigger, which is the event that kicks off the automation. Click Add New Trigger and select either Facebook comment or Instagram comment, depending on where you posted the video. You can even add a keyword filter so the workflow only fires when someone comments a specific word like smile or book, which is the call to action you put in your caption. Once the trigger is set, click the plus icon below it input to add your first action. Select send SMS or send email and write a friendly message like, hey, thanks for your interest in Bright Smiles Dental. Here's a link to book your free cleaning, and include a booking link. This kind of follow-up alone can boost conversion rates by a huge amount because most people need a little nudge before they take action. Once you've got all your actions in place, click save in the top right corner and then toggle the workflow to publish so it goes live. And this is only scratching the surface of the types of automations you can create with high level. We can set up email nurtures, SMS reminders, and even have an AI voice agent make outbound calls. Remember, you can check it out for yourself with the link in the description. All right, now that you've seen exactly how to create the videos, post them, and automate the entire lead flow, let me break down why this whole thing works so well and why businesses are happy to pay for it. Chapter 7, why businesses will pay you for this. The reason this matters for small businesses is that when you post one of these for a local dentist or barber or bakery, people stop scrolling and actually watch the whole thing. That means more eyes on the business, more followers, more comments, and more people walking through the door. Business owners don't have time to figure out AI or make content like this on their own, which is why they'll happily pay someone like you to do it for them. The way you sell this is as a social media management package where you create and schedule all their posts for them, and you charge around $1,000 a month per client for it. Now, here's where the math gets really good, because the main tool you need to create these videos is called OpenArt, and their pricing starts at just $29 a month, which is enough to easily create 12 or more videos. So you're spending $29 to deliver a service you're charging $1,000 for, and that's a ton of profit left over for you. And since each video only takes about 10 minutes to make, you can serve multiple clients without it eating up your whole day. You now have everything you need to start selling viral AI videos to small businesses, from creating the content to posting it to turning views into real booked appointments on autopilot. So take what you learned today and go make it happen. Coming up next, I'm going to show you how to create AI clones of business owners as a social media management service. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.